Alright guys, last week when riding the Grom at the track, we broke it down. This part broke down. The Grom fell on this side. This hit the ground somehow. Here you can see it. It's all broken to pieces. And to fix this issue, we will replace this one, this spark plug, and the cable. First I need to get rid of the side panels. And since I'm going to the track with the Grom on the 9th of July, in a couple of months, we need to get rid of the rain tires mounted on the other set of wheels. A very nice difference, as you can see. So this is it. I will go with this to Jarno and see if we can replace the cable and this one. Right guys, welcome back. It's a new day and I'm heading towards Jarno. He's going to replace the new tires on the extra set of wheels and the spark plug. New part came in, so we're going to do that as well. See you in a minute. Here is it, new part. I clean this up a bit and it's ready to install again. This one was only a few kilometers old. Fixed. Alright guys, we swapped out the tires as well. Here we can see the difference.